Coming to the women's clinic at Ontario Shore and meeting Bernadette saved my life. I mean, I do have setbacks here and there, but every time I have setback, I remember what Bernadette told me, one step back is two steps forward. I was in constant struggle emotionally, which led to physical illness because I was bottling all my emotions down, and I always felt like there was something wrong with me. What am I doing wrong? What is wrong with me? I'm not normal. And I always questioned myself, and questioning myself built up insecurities. And the insecurities led to isolation, where I ended up keeping everything to myself. And it was really hard. It was a really big struggle. I felt lonely. I felt constantly fearful. And at the same time, I was judging myself before anyone else around me judged me.
The Love You by Shoppers Drug Mart Women's Clinic. We provide short-term consultation and treatment to women struggling with perinatal mood and anxiety disorders and reproductive issues that can impact a woman's mental health. Some of the common struggles that women might have and reach out to the Women's Clinic for support would be anxiety and or depression. A lot of times we are seeing anxiety and depressive symptoms starting in pregnancy, not just postpartum. So they might be struggling with increased worried thoughts, irritability, mood swings, lack of interest or pleasure in doing things that they may have been interested in previously, difficulty with sleep. Intrusive thoughts is a really big one, so having intrusive thoughts of harm coming to themselves, to others, or even their babies as well.
I had an amazing therapist, Bernadette, who really understood my situation, who really helped me with my struggle. Initially, it was hard for me to open up because I had therapists before and there doesn't seem to be any connection, and that kind of deterred me from seeking another therapist or seeking help again. But at the Women's Clinic on Ontario Shores with Bernadette, I was able to open up and I was able to break my shell with Bernadette, which helped me to recover, which helped me to get to this point.
When a woman is referred to our Women's Clinic at Ontario Shores, they can expect to first be seen by our psychiatrist or nurse practitioner for an initial psychiatric assessment. And if follow-up is required, they would be seen by either the registered nurse or the registered social worker in our clinic for treatment. The services that we offer our clients in Women's Clinic is short-term focused manualized psychotherapy, either in person on site at Ontario Shores or virtually. We offer either electronic cognitive behavior therapy through an online platform, or we offer a more manualized cognitive behavior therapy or interpersonal psychotherapy.
While working as a nurse in healthcare profession, I did see a lot of nurses judge patients who came in with mental health needs. And not only that, my own family member, because in my culture, mental health is seen as a sign of weakness that you need to overcome on your own. And because of those influences that I see around me environmentally, I decided, I can't let anyone know what I'm going through, because then I'll be seen as a weak person, as a weak individual, and I didn't want to be judged in my profession. Because I see the way they judge mental health patients, and I didn't want to be treated like that.
Someone would get referred to the Women's Clinic by talking to one of their healthcare providers in the community. So it could be a family doctor, a nurse practitioner, even a walk-in clinic, or their public health nurse can make those types of referrals to our clinic.
And I'm here today, as a nurse, as a mom, and as a woman, that it's okay to seek help, because seeking help gives people more knowledge that, okay, you don't have to be in psychosis to be considered someone who needs mental health help. That anyone, you, me, anyone down the street have mental health issues. And, it's okay to seek help, because just because you have the need to seek mental health help does not mean that you're not normal.